Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time coming across this video, can you please hit that like button and hit the notification bell for next time I drop. In today's video we are actually going to go and install my hair. There's a lot I want to sit down and chit chat with you guys. There's a lot that's been going on, but I do not have time now because I don't want to be late for my appointment. My appointment is at 9. I think the time is currently now 20:08 and I do not want to be late. However, I do think that it's like 8 minutes away. But yeah, since I'm not sure of the place that it's my first time installing there, so I don't want to be late. And I don't want to get lost with the directions. So, let us go and install my hair and then we're gonna chit chat when we get back.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Pay beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie.
Yabona ipa ingxaki kuphi ku blender in.
Oh shit.
No, mhlamba ndiyazi ikhala yami.
Mna ndisebenza imini sezabonisa lefuna like mina ngokushitsha fa.
Oh,
Ndizo ngibona. Ngifaka because ne underground.
I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, they wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get fake, she fake. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Let's do the low car, the plug, I need more pounds.
but at least ndifumene ubhuti on a patience, yes. Ndifumene umuntu on a patience, so maybe be right to the ground. Bandikhangelisa nale Shini uyamazi uthini? Uthi nobana hayi awuyikwa 9 ngosini uyakwa 11. Jo siyaphuma ke ngoku apha kwa 9. 9 uphela apha ngiqoma. So ibi right la 30 rand bendifuna yona. Ucaba wena uzicaba uzostikisha ku 26 rand. Kemna ke ndixanza ndiqoma ayikudanga nje nale 9 xa ukulendile ndawo. Ifana na xa usithi usuka kwa 16 uya kwa 17. Vele uwele ewe. Ndithe kudanga nje le ndawo because
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Pay beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case it get murdered. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, they wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get fake. face, she fed me. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outrageous. Niggas been a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the files get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on
utshiwo yazi most abantu batsho bra
awubonge into leyo
ndiye ndiyibone kwalefana but ii-complexions zethu
Awudarker,
she's darker.
yinto umhle kufasonayo
Umhle
ngelinto
ndiyayazi ke laa nto.
le pishe
I put on beer every day from the floor. Oh, yeah, sick of this, you both from home. I put on beer every day from the floor. Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Paying beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who from you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, car the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, they wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get face, she fed me. Making my
shona nje sikhona qha ngibheke then kusule the excess loss ngayisule ngo
Yes. Let's go home. Ooh, okay.
I just got back from installing my hair. Right now I'm gonna take a shower. Remember I told you guys I didn't take a shower yet. So I'm gonna take a shower and then after that I'm gonna head out and then I'm gonna go and do some few errands and then I'm gonna get back and then we will have a chit chat. Actually, I was planning on doing my lashes today, so but I'm not sure if that's all gonna work out, so let's go take a shower. Okay, I'm done. This is what I'm wearing, but I'm gonna put on a jacket on and then I'm gonna head out, but I first want to get something to eat and thereafter I can go and do my errands and then after that come back and do with other shit that I have to deal with. So let's go.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. When all I can think about is us since I seen you last. I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you, be on your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come pick up your clothes? I've had
This price for that. Oh, yeah, no.
Hi guys, welcome back. I just got back from the mall. I'm exhausted. I could use a glass of wine. It's a good thing that I bought one. Don't judge me. Okay, I want to show you guys a couple things that I got. I'm first gonna start with the lip glosses. Actually, it's only one lip gloss. No, it's two. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This is what I got at Lash Express after I was done doing my lashes. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this is what I got. And that was like a long time ago though, but it went away with my other videos. Actually, let me guys tell you the story. I had my vlogs edited, and the only thing that I was shorting to do is put on some music. So I kept them stored on the app that I'm editing with. And then what happened is that the day that I was actually finalizing to ensure that, okay, I'm going to post this vlog, all I need to do is do some touch-ups here and there, and then do on my background music and all of that. Yeah. Niyawazi amasha. Apparently my iPhone storage was too full, and I do know that it was complaining for like, I don't know, a while now. And then what happened is that it just deleted the edits that I was, it deleted my vlogs on the app that I was editing my vlogs on, and then they disappeared. And now I have to start new vlogs all over again, but it's fine. Everything happens for a reason. So first things first, these are the glosses that I got from, oh, they're so cute. I got from Signature. I think this is a see-through one. This is a see-through. It's so cute. So cute. Yeah, I think this is a see-through one. This is a see-through. Yeah, it's a see-through lip gloss. It's so cute and sexy. Let's test it how it feels. It's not too sticky, it's not too light, it's just perfect. Nice. I'm gonna have to buy more of these often. And then I got myself a dark chocolate liner for my lips. Yeah, it's also from Signature. It's so cute. And then the other thing that I got is this lip gloss. I'm not sure about the color because it's the other lady that actually assisted me. Yo, why is it so dark? I actually wanted to put my brown lip liner and then just a little bit of a color lip gloss, and then go over with this one, but I'm not sure how is that gonna look. Yo. But okay, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys. And then I went to the fix and I got my toiletries. All we need is do time I have my Inuka perfume already there, it's still there. And then I went to the fix and I got these for tomorrow. I'm not sure if they're gonna suit me or they're gonna fit me or whatsoever, but I'm gonna put this on. Remember, I already told you guys that I cannot put on permanent nails or whatsoever. I also don't know how I'm gonna remove these because I'm always busy with clients, so I cannot have,
It's just some outfits that I wanted to wear for tomorrow. I don't think I have to show you guys that. I'm back. Oh, you want me guys to show? And I got myself some glass of wine. I'm not gonna show you guys that. PG 18 plus. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I'm probably sure that my other babies are also watching this, so I don't want to be like I'm an influencer, okay? But I got myself a glass of wine and I'm about to pour one. This is the pants that I got at Mr. Price that I want to wear tomorrow with this top. Yeah, go, I guess, because I'm not sure how it's gonna look. So yeah, that's it for today. I couldn't find any lashes in there, so baba valile kaloku my friend and andiyazi ngoku sazithenga lashes and mna into engazuyenza kuthenga lashes zithu. Hayi. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll see. But I think this is the end of today, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow when I am going on a lunch date with my besties. Okay. I want to try these stick-ons. I want to see if are they actually going to fit. Actually forgot to show you guys my nails. They are so not what I thought they were, man. Don't even know what I'm saying. They look so cute outside the box. I swear to you, they do. Okay, so I think this is the decor. I actually ruined it because I was trying to fix it. This little cute thing, I think it's so that they stick on. Yeah, and then there's those ones in the packet, and then we have those ones which are outside here. Hi guys, my nails, I still need to do the stick-ons. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel of this. Hi guys, welcome back to another video of this vlog. So I just came back from work, and then I am going to get ready, and then I'm going to put on my clothes because today I am going out on a lunch with my friends. But I'm not so sure of the weather, but regardless of the weather, bitch, we are fucking going, okay? Let me show you guys the weather. It was raining, but it's not anymore. Anyway, let's get ready.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you the dog. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
Show me restaurant lesi sekuya ibhamane ayithomi kungena nto kanti ngilungisela ukutya nje ayithomi masamsiyobuza 1 margarita, 2 margarita. Ngizawulinda konke.
Bana ivezwa intontoni apha ntoni le nto utywala
Kwinto, kwi-live. Why not?
aveza ndifuna ukubona uba
Why not? Kuzokwenzeka nto? Ubayezela busela nto?
ungakuqhela ukubhala phambili libona xa ndibukelwe live.
We are now currently waiting for our Uber. And then I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna get on bed and I technically think that I'm gonna sleep. And then this is the end of today's video of this vlog. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Hi guys, I am currently on on the N2 road. I'm heading back to nurse's home, and then as I said, I'm going to hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yo sana, we're currently on N2 road right now from Hemingway's Road. There's a car that got pumped in a, I don't know, I think the tire and stuff. So right now I have to wait here until lilungiswe sana. Hi sana. I'm so tired. When I get home, I am going to sleep. I should probably take a shower and then sleep because tomorrow I am going to work. But nonetheless, I will see you guys on the next video. There's the car, guys. Like, but peace.